One, welcome again. We have another phone to unbox today, which is Alcatel 768. Okay, the phone, it seems that's like just a feature phone or just basic phone, and this is right now you can get it from Metro PCS. But the good things about this phone, basically, that you can get the special plan for $25 a month, which is for unlimited talk and text, which is good. You know what I mean? A lot of people, they don't want to mess with the smartphone, and it may be like very complicated to them. So we have this. So this gonna make your life easy with phone. You just answer a phone call or do like very basic stuff. So let's gonna go ahead and unbox the phone and see what this phone comes with. First of all, this is gonna come with the handset, which is like fancy black, nice, and come with the back. That's just the phone back, the charger, so the mini USB one, and the battery, and the SIM card. There you go. Okay, so we'll talk a little bit about the phone. The phone has a camera, which is 2 megapixel camera. It's not bad because this phone has no good internal memory, but in the same time you can expand it. It has SD card. This is the SIM card. Where did the SIM card go? Okay. And this phone is absolutely GSM phone. Alright, so let me just turn on the phone, just power up, so you guys can see this phone. Just good, as I said, just to make phone calls. And we have a special plan. If you activate it with Metro PCS, we give you $25 a month, and it absolutely works on the 3G GSM network at the same time. As you can see, it's just very basic. It has just a navigation here, the navigator. You go settings, you can just customize your ringtone, you can put background, your picture, you can listen to music in the same time, and have jack, so you can use the earbud, so you can listen to music, add the memory card, so you can use it as an MP3 player at the same time. Very basic. Very cheap at the same time. You can get this one for only $19 from any Metro PCS store or metropcs.com. This is everything. If you like this phone, you can get it. Simple and easy. You would like to see more videos, subscribe my channel. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.